With the rise of wood stoves, pellet stoves, and fireplaces, the demand for ash vacuums has grown steadily. These powerful cleaning tools are designed to safely handle the fine, often hot debris that traditional vacuums can't manage. Whether you're a homeowner, camper, or barbecue enthusiast, a reliable ash vacuum simplifies cleanup. This guide evaluates models based on motor power, filtration, build quality, suction performance, and overall value to help you choose the best one for your needs. List number: PowerSmith PAVC 102 10 amp 4-gallon all-in-one ash and shop vacuum blower. The PowerSmith PAVC 102 is a powerful all-in-one ash vacuuming blower designed for maximum versatility. It features a 10-amp motor with strong suction capabilities and a 4-gallon canister, making it suitable for pellet stoves, fireplaces, and barbecue grills. The standout feature is its 10-foot metal-lined hose, offering extended reach and safe heat resistance. With its blower function, this model goes beyond ash removal and can be used for outdoor tasks like leaf blowing or garage cleaning. The included accessories, such as a brush nozzle and heat-resistant filters, make it a complete cleaning package. Its quiet operation and durable metal construction give it a professional feel. Overall, the PAVC 102 is ideal for users who want multifunctionality without sacrificing performance. List number: PowerSmith PAVC 101 10-amp ash vacuum green black. The PowerSmith PAVC 101 is a reliable, well-built ash vacuum ideal for regular stove and fireplace maintenance. It comes equipped with a 10-amp motor, just like its PAVC 102 sibling, and a 3-gallon canister, making it slightly more compact and lightweight. Designed specifically for warm ash removal, it features heat-resistant components, including a metal hose and fire-retardant filter. Though it lacks the blower feature found in the PAVC 102, it still packs plenty of suction power for small to medium jobs. Its quiet motor, only 79 dB, is a plus for indoor use. Setup is straightforward, and the washable filter adds convenience and cost efficiency. This model is best suited for homeowners looking for a dedicated ash vacuum without extra bells and whistles. List number: Stanley Ash Vacuum Cleaner, 4-gallon capacity, 4-peak HP motor. Stanley's 4-gallon ash vacuum is built for heavy-duty performance. With a 4-peak HP motor, it delivers impressive suction that handles both warm and cold ash effectively. The canister holds up to 4 gallons of debris, making it suitable for frequent cleanings or larger ash volumes. This model includes a metal hose, reusable fine dust filter, and aluminum nozzle, emphasizing durability and fire safety. A strong feature is its portable design. While large in capacity, the unit is built with a compact form factor and wheels for mobility. The motor runs loud but powerful, offering quick and efficient ash removal. If you're after a reliable ash vac that can also be used in a shop vac capacity, this versatile and tough model is worth considering. List number: Vacmaster EAV 508S, 5-gallon, 3.5 peak HP stainless steel ash vacuum. The Vacmaster EAV 508S is a premium-grade ash vacuum with an eye-catching stainless steel body. It boasts a 3.5 peak HP motor, a 5-gallon capacity, and a dual HEPA filtration system, making it excellent for fine ash collection and safe indoor use. The metal-lined hose and aluminum extension wand provide heat resistance, while the Red Edition styling gives it a rugged, pro-grade appearance. Its strong suction and large capacity make it a good fit for those who frequently use pellet stoves or fireplaces. The filters are easily removable and washable, ensuring cost savings over time. While heavier than some models, the casters and carry handle help mitigate its weight. This vacuum shines in performance and design, making it a top-tier pick. List number: Cordless Ash Vacuum for DEWALT 20V Max Battery. This cordless ash vacuum is designed for maximum portability and flexibility. Compatible with DEWALT 20V Max batteries, it offers the convenience of cordless operation, perfect for remote cleanups or outdoor areas without power access. Despite its portable size, it features strong suction, dual HEPA filters, and durable heat-resistant components, for handling warm ash from pellet stoves, fire pits, and more. The lightweight design and ergonomic handle make it easy to maneuver, while the battery-powered motor performs surprisingly well for a non-wired unit. It's ideal for users already invested in the DEWALT ecosystem, or those needing an ash vacuum for travel, camping, or quick jobs. While it doesn't match the raw power of corded models, it makes up for it in mobility and ease of use.